Here's the most versatile model of ADP AI formula. You can ask any general knowledge question on ADP AI, and it will respond with an answer, just like using Google in your Excel. In this example, I will ask ADP AI for a simplified explanation of the principle of trial balance by typing equals ADP AI. Then type, give me a simplified explanation of the principle of trial balance. Or since it is typed in cell C1, I will just refer to the cell and press enter. I can simply drag and fill other cells if I have other inquiry listed on my worksheet. ADP AI will provide an answer to any general knowledge inquiry you may have directly in your Excel. In another example, I will ask ADP AI to translate a sample data into different languages. The sample text is written in column C, and the required languages are specified in column D. In column E, I will type make a simple, then ampersand and select D1, ampersand to connect the next phrase translation of this text. Hit ampersand again and select cell C1 and close the parenthesis to finish the statement, then press enter. ADP AI will translate the text into the language specified in the request and return with the answer while keeping the formula intact, as seen in the formula bar.